how to add Etsy reviews to Shopify. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can add Etsy reviews to your Shopify. Now the first thing you're going to do is to look at the left side. You're going to see apps down here and you're going to click on add apps. And then you're going to scroll down and then click this Shopify App Store. Now this will redirect us to the Shopify App Store, and then you're going to search on Fera. And we're going to click this Fera Product Reviews app. And then you're going to install this product. I already installed Fera, so we're going to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like in our Shopify. Now what we're going to do is click here for the reviews. And then as you can see here on the top right, we're going to click on add reviews. And then we're going to click on import. Then you're going to click on Etsy. And then you're going to click this view instruction. This will redirect us to the instructions on how to import reviews from Etsy. The first thing you're going to do is to log in into your Etsy account and then go to settings and click on options. The second is to download data, then click on download your reviews. Now after you follow this step, you will get a reviews JSON file which you will need to import over here, which then will allow you to add Etsy reviews to Shopify. And that's it guys, thanks for watching.